This clip seems innocuous enough, with the buffalo just walking alongside this car.
He keeps on coming.
But something seems off. The buffalo is now following the car, trying to drive it forward, almost as if it's trying to escort the vehicle out of its territory.
This one bull is just chasing me out of the sighting, so we'll be close to Daisy.
And its behavior comes to a head as the powerful giant charges the vehicle, prompting the driver to step on the gas immediately in an attempt to escape. These people were seconds away from finding out why these monsters are called the Black Death.